Meaning of indecorous.
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 Indecorous. The word indecorous refers to something that is not in keeping with accepted standards of good taste or propriety. It is commonly used to describe behavior or language that is inappropriate or offensive. When someone behaves indecorously, they may cause discomfort or offense to those around them. This behavior can range from minor breaches of etiquette to more serious violations of social norms. Overall, the use of indecorous language or behavior can be seen as a reflection of poor upbringing or a lack of respect for others.